Hello guys, my name is Gavin, and this will just be a simple tutorial on how to make a damage indicator. So it's like your player takes damage, and this shows the player that yes, they did indeed take damage. So I'm just going to get started. So I'm just going to right click on this camera and hit X delete, and then right click on this light and hit X delete. Hit 7 to go in the top view, and right click on this cube right here. Let's go from object mode to edit mode. I'm going to go to face mode right here, and right click on two of these faces, and then shift and right click right there. Shift and right click, shift and right click. Go over here and do extrude individual, like that. So as you can see now, if we go into top view, we've pretty much made like a simple little health bar cross kind of thing. Alright, that'll work. I'm now going to apply a material to it. So click on a material and change it to red, like this. So the material is now red. Alright. As you can see, if we hit P to play, there's now a simple crosshair in the middle, or a cross in the middle, or a little medical symbol, whatever you want to call it. Alright, next let's go down here, and where it says start, I'm actually going to set this as 10 right here. And I'm going to scale this down a fair amount. I'm going to hit 7 to go in the top view, and on frame 1, so 1 is selected here, here, and 10 is here, I'm going to do I lock scaling, like that. And then we're going to go to frame 10, so let's select 10 right here, and do S and 2, and do I lock scaling. So if we were to play it now, we'd see the animation is like this. Alright, that's what's going on. Alright, so let's then go from defaults to game logic, and go from Blender render to Blender game. And down here, let's add a game property. I'll just call this damage. Damage like that. I'm going to set this to 0 for now, or actually to 1. I'm going to hit I and then game and then show debug properties. Okay. Let's then add an always sensor, or actually I'll add a collision. Yeah, I'll add a collision, a keyboard sensor. Sorry. Okay. I'll put the space bar as the key, and I'll name this the space, and I'll click tap right here. Alright, I'm then going to do add controller in Python right here and connect this. So what we're going to do is actually let's attach an always sensor to this too. Sorry, I forgot to add that. And I'll just put this up, so click up and then connect it like this. So it should look like this. Sorry about the extra confusion. Let's then do templates Python, then game logic simple, and let's connect these right here. Hit control and scroll up on your mouse to make your text larger. And let's define the spacebar by doing const is going to equal not const. We're going to do space is going to equal const.sensors space. And what we're going to do right now is have if space.positive and own damage is equal to 0. I think I have an extra space right here. Alright, what we're going to do is have damage going to equal to, or not damage, own damage is going to equal 10. Actually, let's put 1 right here for if it's equal to. Then what we're going to have is have if own damage greater than 1. We're going to have own damage minus equal 1. And the reason we're doing this is that we want it to have the game property damage is going to be equal to the that's what the animation keyframe is going to be equal to. So let's add an action actuator, change it to property, let's add the cube action, and let's put the property damage like that, and let's connect it with the always sensor, which should be on top like this. Alright, if we attach our script in right here like that, you can see that if we hit play now and I click the space bar, you see the health bar scales out like that. Alright, I'm just going to scroll out and show you guys the script for 1 second. So pretty much if we press the space bar and we haven't taken any damage yet, it's going to set the damage all the way to 10, and if it's greater than 1, it's just going to subtract 1. So just like that. Alright guys, hope you found this useful.